Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. This week in class we've been talking about pregnancy and childbirth and being a parent. And one of my students started talking about a rather difficult conversation she had to have with her sister a couple of years ago. Her sister has been together with her partner for many years and they'd been trying to have kids for ages without any success. In the end, they found out that they couldn't have children, and her sister met my student to break the news to her. And during this conversation, she basically put on a brave face and tried to pretend that everything was okay. But right near the end of the conversation, she suddenly broke down and burst into tears and revealed that the whole issue was eating her up. If you put on a brave face, or you put a brave face on things, you basically try to pretend that a problem that's causing you pain and worry, a problem that's upsetting you, isn't important at all, really. You try to pretend that it's not bothering you. I guess, like in the old days in the theatre, you would take a mask and put on a brave face to make yourself look braver than you really are. So maybe if you've got a friend who's been going through a divorce, you might meet them and they seem okay, but you think that probably they're just putting a brave face on things. They behave as if there's no problem, but they're just putting a brave face on things. In the same way, the government might try to put a brave face on the latest COVID death statistics. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, let them know about Lexical Lab, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use put